These are the wood effect tiles and prices. They only have two sizes, 60 by 60 and 40 by 40. Let's start with the 60 by 60. Here you can see the prices. With the two here is 115 per tile. This is like, you can see the polished type, but you can see the wood effect like a grain on the tile. Like this one, it looks like a hardwood, if like a whole piece of hardwood effect. But since it's polished, you cannot see any texture. This is like the grayish. You can see the eye of the wood, like print. This is 115 pesos per tile. That one, you can see the grain with dark and light color. This one here is again 115 pesos per tile. You can see the wood printing or the design that it really looks like wood. This one is like called the bamboo. It is designed like a bamboo tile. You see like the bamboo that when it's in the inner type, whether you put it on floor and then varnish it, but this one looks like it already been varnished. Again 115 each. And this one here, it's like an old drip wood effect. You slice it in and you got all the like the areas of the wood. This one is like the plank wood effect. Two wood together and they got this one is the multicolored plank wood effect design. Again 115 pesos per tile, 60 by 60. It's like a different multi-wood combination. You get a lighter, the darker, the cherry effect. This one is another whole wood effect in beige and polish. This one is 119 pesos. This is another plank wood. One of their new designs is at 125 pesos each. It has a line to give you that plank wood planks effect. Again, this one is yellow and beige. It's quite actually lighter when you see this one in person. That's 125 per tile. You can see the grain that they have created. Not the grain, you can feel it, but because these are the polished type. And this is the darker color one in wood plank effect at 125 pesos each. Like there's a line deep set and in between the tile that the effect for this one is you need to make sure that the lines will be, the tiles line will be in line. This is the cherry darker one with a different wood effect. Again, wood flank design. So at 125, this is the wood plank pine white. It's like very light when you see it in person. This one is like a whole bark or branch of a tree. The whole wood trunk has been sliced off effect at 125 pesos per tile. This is like beige, very light beige, and you can see the wood just been sliced there, and it's already been varnished because this one are the shiny ones. So this is a requested video by John Leo, and this is the 40 by 40 sizes. There is this light pine white at 69 pesos. And there's the wood plank effect in light beige at 64.60. And it's even called brown, but it's very light when you look at it personally. This one is like a combination of laminated wood floor, 69.75. These are the 40 by 40 sizes. This is another wood plank effect with lines in the middle of the tile at 64.60. That used to be 68 pesos. It's now lowered down because they got a lot of stocks for this kind of tiles. This is nice. This is from Fino. It's 45 pesos per tile, but you can feel the texture within, like a wooden texture of in the tile. If you feel it, it's like there's wood, and you can see like it's also been like a wooden plank effect. So you need to make sure that the lines go in line when you install this. This is like a crosswise, like a puzzle that slots in together effect. And these are the little pieces of wood at 47 pesos per tile, like already been grouted and got geometric designs. This is also available. This is the lighter color. Also available here in cherry, still at 47 pesos per tile. And it's like the geometric design effect, like the little wood that you go together before. And these are the another geometric design with different sizes of wood effect at 47 pesos per tile. This is the lighter color, 47 pesos per tile, but these are like 2 or 3 sizes of wood. And these are the different, like the cherry and the light wood effect wood planks, 2 or 3 wood kinds of wood together. And these are like the geometric designs squaring different sizes of wood effect, again at 47 pesos only. This is like three sizes, big, small on the dark side, a dark color one, and then there's the yellowish wood at 47 pesos. And lastly, this one, it's like cubes of little wood, but like in golden beige brown combination. So this is a request by some viewers.